there guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the Goodiebox. This little beauty literally just arrived 5 minutes ago or something, and it is time again to open this, come on, sucker up. Okay, so we have the little booklet right here, and then we have the paper, which I'm gonna rip apart, and then we have the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let's just start with the biggest thing in here, which is this. And it has an SPF of 30 with instant bronzer, water resistant tanning lotion spray. Okay, this is really handy for the summer. Let's see. Oh, I already told you guys SPF 30, right? Right. Okay, so let's see what the little booklet, there we go, says about it. It is a full size. The tanning lotion spray costs 10 euros. So far, so summery freaking good. Okay, let's move on to something from Now Bay, and this is the natural and organic, orange juice foot cream. Didn't we already receive this in, not this particular box, but a different box? I think it was either StyleTone or was it the Deluxe box? I'm not really sure, but I do remember we received this. This is what that fella looks like. It is a full size, yes it is, and it costs 16 euros. Oh my goodness, it is so freaking hot underneath these lights. I am sweating, so if I start to shine or whatever, then it's wet. It's gonna be nasty. Okay, let's move on to something in a little box. This is from Dr. Botanicals. It's vegan friendly, and it is Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Okay, sounds good. It comes in this little cardboard box. Not really digging what it looks like, but I will say kudos to them, because this is definitely better packaging for the environment than, you know, the plastic packaging. So even though it's hideous, I do agree with it. Wow, that was not intentional. That just flew out of my hand. Oh, my house is possessed. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. So yeah, like I said, Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. And does it have, because I do see the little, ooh, yes, it does. Drippity-doo. Okay, so let me show you guys what this little fella looks like. So this is what that fella looks like. And then in the booklet, it's a full size as well. And wow, it costs 30 euros. Okay guys, it is, since it is so freaking hot, my hair is stuck to my armpit. That's freaking disgusting. TMI by the way, but it's so hot. I want to finish this up. Let's move on to something from Emite Makeup Active Eye Light. Milicis or something? Active Eye Light Corrector. Wait. Isn't this just a concealer, or is it, what is this? Ooh, oh my goodness. I think this is a concealer, if I'm not mistaken. No, I am not mistaken. And I feel like we received this fella already somewhere along the way. I'm not really sure which box it was, but I do remember having I think I still have this one. I'm not really sure. Or did I give it away? I can't remember, but I do remember having this, and it was okay, but it was definitely not worth the high-end price that it had. It says over here it's a full size and that it costs 27 euros, which is so ridiculously high up there in price. You can get a MAC concealer for less, an Urban Decay concealer, for crying out loud. Why would you choose this? I would immediately say don't waste your money. This does not do wonders. Seriously, just buy a high-end brand, because it's the same price. So don't waste your money on this. Okay, last thing in the box. Box is empty. Okay, so the last thing in here is a mask. Mask me up. Okay, it's a bubbling sheet mask for all skin types. It is deep cleansing, loosens makeup, and leaves the skin bright and clean. Sounds pretty good. So this is what that fella looks like, and for the ones who have been following me for quite a while, y'all know I am obsessed with masks. I don't know, I love face masks. I can't get enough. It's a full size and it costs €5. Whew. Okay, let's cut it out. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here. I'm going to use pretty much all of the items except for this fella because we already received this and I just know it doesn't work. So I'm going to pass this along to somebody else, but the rest of the items I'm definitely going to use. I like this box, very summery. I enjoyed it. Not my favorite one, I will immediately say that, but I did enjoy this box. Did I just say I didn't? I did enjoy this box. Sorry. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!